In today's digital age, generating income online has become a viable and attractive option for many individuals and businesses. Whether it's through selling products and services, affiliate marketing, advertising revenue, or other means, there are plenty of opportunities to earn money online. However, with so many options available, it can be challenging to figure out which strategies and tactics are most effective. We'll explore the key ingredients to successfully generating income online and how they can be combined to create a winning, secret sauce recipe. Type of online income generation. Before we dive into the key ingredients, it's important to clarify the type of online income generation we're referring to. For the purposes of this video, we'll be focusing on selling products and services online, which can include physical products, digital products, or services such as coaching, consulting, or freelancing. These strategies can be applied by individuals or businesses at various levels, from beginners to advanced. Key ingredients to successfully generating income online. 1. Niche selection. One of the first steps to successfully generating income online is selecting a profitable niche. This involves identifying a specific market or audience with a common need or problem that you can solve with your product or service. By choosing a niche, you can position yourself as an expert and build a loyal following, increasing your chances of success. 2. Quality product or service. Once you've selected a niche, it's essential to create a quality product or service that meets the needs of your target audience. This includes conducting market research, understanding customer pain points, and crafting a unique value proposition that sets you apart from competitors. By delivering high-quality products or services, you can build trust and credibility with your audience, which is crucial for long-term success. 3. Effective marketing. Even if you have a great product or service, it won't sell if nobody knows about it. Effective marketing is essential for generating online income, and it involves a range of tactics such as search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, and paid advertising. By creating a comprehensive marketing strategy and testing different channels, you can reach your target audience and drive traffic to your website or product pages. 4. Customer experience. Another key ingredient to successfully generating income online is creating a positive customer experience. This involves providing excellent customer service, delivering products or services on time, and offering easy returns or refunds. By prioritizing customer satisfaction, you can build a loyal customer base and generate positive word of mouth, which can help attract new customers. Examples of successful, secret sauce recipes. There are countless examples of individuals and businesses who have successfully generated income online by combining these key ingredients. One such example is Pat Flynn, who built a successful online business by creating niche websites, offering valuable content, and promoting affiliate products. Another example is Marie Forleo, who has built a successful coaching and education business by offering high-quality courses and programs and using social media to reach her audience. Tips and advice for applying these strategies. If you're looking to generate income online, there are several tips and pieces of advice you can use to apply these strategies effectively. First, focus on a niche that you're passionate about and where you have expertise. This will help you create high-quality products or services that resonate with your audience. Second, invest in quality marketing channels and tactics that align with your audience's preferences and behavior. Third, prioritize customer experience and satisfaction to build a loyal customer base and generate positive word of mouth.